Samsung is taking its time with the One UI 7.0 beta, and that could be a good thing. Unlike a minor update, One UI 7.0 seems to be a major redesign of Samsung's Android interface. Rumors suggest that this update is so transformative that Samsung wants to impress beta testers right from the start. New icons, a redesigned lock screen, and updated notifications are just a few of the expected changes. However, the real excitement lies in how these elements will come together to create a fresh user experience. The release of the first beta, initially expected in August, has been delayed. Surprisingly, this delay might be due more to the slow rollout of One UI 6.11 than early bugs in One UI 7.0. With the potential to usher in a new era for Samsung software, Galaxy users have a lot to look forward to. Thank you so much for watching this video.